This is Bob. It's Bob's job to manage his assets, his costs, and his problems. But Bob has a lot of different equipment in a lot of different sites. Problems can mean costly downtime. Bob hates downtime. Bob wants to achieve an optimal maintenance strategy. Because with so many parts on so many assets, Bob is worried he may be blindly replacing things before they really need it, and wasting money. On the other hand, Bob also doesn't want downtime. To Bob, breakdowns are even more costly than wasting money on unneeded maintenance. Bob wants an approach that saves him money and manages downtime risk. Fortunately for Bob, there's a Cat Connect digital service that meets his needs by being predictive and proactive. Bob's Cat Connect service tracks all the data from his equipment and provides him easy ways to understand the status and condition of that equipment. Cat Connect services can be customized to include automated analysis, human analysis, or both. Bob can quickly see the condition of his assets and is alerted to maintenance issues before they become an emergency. Bob can get automated recommendations or work with an expert advisor. Bob doesn't have to choose between wasting money on unnecessary maintenance or risking the failure of his equipment. By upgrading to condition-based maintenance with Cat Connect, Bob can give every asset the attention it needs when it needs it. And that means some peace of mind for Bob. Take control of your business with Cat Connect. Your business just got smarter.